Hello everyone, today we have this equation 1 over 9 divided by 1 over 3 and divided by 1 over 6. So when we have in the mathematical expression only division, correct? Then in my opinion the easiest way is just to write it as a multiplication. Why? Because in this case you have only multiplication and then you can multiply as it's more convenient for you to solve it faster. Other way, you need to do step by step and then to multiply by its reciprocal. So, okay, let's start writing the division as multiplication. So, and you know, when you write it as multiplication, you multiply by its reciprocal. So we get 1 over 9, we have multiplication by reciprocal 3 over 1. And we do the same for this number. So we have 6 over 1. So in this case, what we have? So we can combine now the multiplication as it's easier for our brain to solve. So we can combine this one. We have 3 over 1 multiplied by 6 over 1. It's 18 over 1. 1 we don't put it. And we have 9. And in the end, the result is 2. So the correct answer is 2. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Ciao, ciao.